Why cooperative investment is the best po para sa akin? Number 1 is voluntary and open po ang membership. Open to all persons who are able to use their services and willing to accept the responsibilities of membership. So everybody is welcome. Wala po yung discrimination, maging sino ka man. Number 2, why I like cooperative is dahil democratic member control po siya. Cooperatives are controlled by their members who actively participate in setting their policies and making decisions. Kaya po may General Assembly, yan po ay yung meeting that updates the members. Members also have equal voting rights of one member, one vote. Kaya organized po ang cooperative. Number 4, member economic participation. Members contribute capital. It's called share capital. So that share capital is the common property of the cooperatives. They use that capital to do business like pautang, buying an asset to generate more income or etc. Para naman may ma-allocate in developing the cooperative. So yung mga net surpluses ay meron po yung allocation na nararapat po talaga. So number 4, why I like cooperatives is autonomy and independence. Cooperatives are self-help organization controlled by their members. If they enter into agreements with other organizations including government or raise capital from external sources, need po ng approval ng General Assembly or lahat po ng members. Kaya nga po tinatawag yung mga members as co-owner of the cooperative. Number 5, they give education, training, and information to their members, elected and appointed representatives, managers, and employees so that they can contribute effectively and efficiently to the development of their cooperatives. Kaya promising po talaga ang magtrabaho sa cooperatives. Kasi hindi lang po sila concerned sa income ng cooperative but they are also concerned to their employees. Kaya I appreciate so much ang cooperative kasi meron din employee growth. Ito rin ang isang maganda sa cooperatives. Number 6, cooperation among cooperatives. Cooperatives serve their members most effectively and strengthen the cooperative movement by working together through local, national, regional, and international structures. Kaya nagkakaisa po lahat ng cooperatives. And lastly, number 7, cooperative have concern for community. So they work for the sustainable development of their communities through policies approved by their members. Isa pong greatest contribution ng cooperative sa ating economy or sa ating community is by providing job. Sila din po yung unang tumutulong kapag merong mga calamities. Madalang kasi yung pagbalita noon ng pag-contribute ng tulong ng mga cooperatives. Pero as for me na naging empleyado po ng cooperative, marami po akong nakitang tinulungan ng cooperative. Isa rin po sila sa nagbibigay ng scholarship sa mga student na hindi afford ang mag-aral. Kaya malaki po ang tulong talaga ng cooperative sa ating economy and nation. So yan lang po ang ating video for today. I hope meron po kayong natutunan, and once again, this is Ibinget Reyes saying sharing is caring. Bye! See you!